All right, y'all, got me a couple today. I got a wheel for one boy that I've done another wheel before. Hawkins County, you need to work on your roads. They're busting people's wheels at this point. Anyway, it's an SRT wheel. We know they're a little bit more prone to cracking, but they shouldn't have two cracks in the same wheel. They got more magnesium, that's why. And the other one we have is a C6 that it's split right behind the bolt hole at the starter on it. So we're going to bevel that one out today and burn out the oil that is trapped inside the case there, and then burn it out again and weld it a different day, because that's going to be, it's a mess right now. It's essentially puking whatever transmission fluid it had left in it onto my floor, but that's okay. Things go wrong, people are in a hurry to fix them, we'll get them taken care of. I got enough cat litter to clean it up, it'll be fine. I burned it out so I could actually follow the crack and see where it ended. I got it right there where it changed direction, and right at the end there too. So that one there, I'm not going all the way through the case because there's a big bolster on the other side. I'm gonna see if it's cracked through the bolster. If it is, I'll grind out the bolster and fix it there too. But so far it's here and on the outer edge of this, and we'll get that good and deep. So on the outer edge of this, so we'll get that good and deep beveled so it gets a good bead in it, and then we'll go ahead and put a bead back through here. I'm gonna bevel that out tonight, and like I said, burn out the fluid I can get out of it, and then whatever's left I'll hit right before I weld it. As you can see, there is crack one. It's the worst of the two. And there's crack two. It's a little bit more shallow, but that's just because it hasn't opened up more. It goes about right here, and this one here goes about right there. So I think I'm gonna charge him 80 on this one because they're about double my normal. But yeah, we're gonna cut him a deal because I know he's having bad luck right now. So we'll hook him up. Okay, I got these prepped up. This is what's gonna be inside the wheel. Yeah, you always put a little bit bigger hole for a pilot in there so you can get good penetration. And you bevel it out right there. I got it about touching on both sides, so it's gonna get a good root. And they're the same way, but it's not as bad of a crack. That one was a single one, and that was like 2 in 1, and it was pretty rough. I love transmissions. It makes it look like a crime scene, but it's not. But yeah, I got it prepped up.